spray paint. I don't have a lot of spray paint, but the spray paint I do have needs organising. This is the current spray paint organisation system. An old crate which I want to get rid of. In here is a gap. Now, this gap obviously isn't big enough for cans of spray paint, but these cabinets are mounted on a rail, so I just need to take a couple of screws out and I can move these along and make this gap bigger. So I need a spray paint rack. So that's what I'm going to make. Here we go. Now, I'm rather disembodied here, but it doesn't really matter. I said in an episode of Make Crude Mistakes podcast, every Saturday and every Tuesday, have a listen, that I got rid of all my MDF, and I almost did. This was in the boot of the car and it was going to the tip, and then I saw it and I thought that is actually quite a large, useful piece of flat material. So here we are. To Thomas, a follower on Instagram, who called me out on it saying, I thought you got rid of all your MDF. Well, I did, except for this bit. You know, it's at times like this I really wish I had a table saw, because setting this up multiple times really is a pain in the arse, but it is what it is. So I have my side and I have my 7 doobie-doos to make 7 holes. Brilliant. But I'm going to need some sort of way of aligning this and the back and making sure that is the same angle across all the things. I'm going to need some sort of jig. One moment, please. This is what I've come up with. It is not pretty, although I've just noticed a problem. I should have glued that the other side, because now that doesn't sit the same. One then, please. That sits on there, and then you take your hateful MDF and that all lines 7 times over. Excellent. I've got a place for the paint and one less old crate cluttering up the place. See you next time. Ta-ta.